Okay, so welcome back to the channel, guys. It's me, Vision underscore Master Productions, and today we're gonna be playing this game that I found when I looked up PS5 on Google. And apparently, some random guy decided to create an emulator, like if you were to play on, like if you were to get an actual PS5 on day one. So yeah, let's see. This is the main one. And this just looks like some random realistic Minecraft super flat world.
I need something sharp to open it.
Okay. I'll just put that there. Let's see here. Where? No. What kind of game is this anyways? Like, it's super bad. What the? Okay, I'll just grab this knife. I'll rotate it. I don't even know why I'm playing this game, guys. I just found
Okay,
it.
I need to connect PS5 to the electricity. We had troubles with sockets while moving here, so I need to find some extensions.
Okay. Where am I? Power up your PS5. Alright. Let's do it. Where is it? I think it's somewhere around here. Oh, what the? This game's broken already. This game is like super trash. Oh, okay. I'll just grab it there. And then what the? There you go. Okay, I'll grab the power thing. What am I supposed to do? Right here?
Now it's time for HDMI connection.
Oh, I see. Okay. I'll just put a table here. What the? Okay. Just grab that. There. What? Okay, there you go. Now grab the. What? Is that my iPhone? Who puts an iPhone on the floor? Well, kind of looks like the iPhone 12 mini. But what the? No. There. Apparently I have to connect it here. There. Apparently, to not get copyrighted or something like that, they wanted to put the PS1 startup all the way at 19.
Finally, my PS5 gamepad arrived.
Ooh, the DualSense. Okay. I'll just open it. Ooh, it's like I'm a YouTuber. Like I pre-order all this stuff just to like review it for you guys. Okay. Where's the knife? Here it is. Open here. Yoink. Oh. Try that. Apparently, I'm the worst unboxer, and I'm the best unboxer ever. Oh.
Seems like it's the wrong gamepad.
Ew, Xbox. Get that out of here. Well, I mean, like, I like Xbox. It's just that the main reason we're here is for PS5, not Xbox. Get that out of here. Let's see. Turn that around. There you go. Open that. There. What? Apparently, this just doesn't work. This isn't physics. This isn't how physics work. And like that. Oh. Like that. Like that. There you go. There's the DualSense.
Here it is. Finally, I can play my new PS5.
Doesn't look like
Gamepad battery is low. I need to charge it.
Doesn't look like my DualSense, but yeah, it's okay. It's like the DualSense I have in real life. Another box. I'll check that later. Alright, so apparently gotta bring this here. There you go. I have no idea where to place this. Look at that, yeah. This game is so broken. Plug it in there. Grab the DualSense.
Damn,
There you
I need
go.
to connect
I'm
my
the best.
PS5 to the internet and download first day patch. Seems like my Wi-Fi is broken. It's upstairs in my closet, gonna check it out.
Okay, apparently we're supposed to fix the Wi-Fi. Let's do it. Let's do it. Get this box out of the way. Where is it?
To fix it I need an instrument. It might be in the garage.
Oh, I like it. Garage. Garage. Reminds me of the Windows narrator. Okay. Where's the garage? Oh, here it is. Let's see.
Don't worry, boys. The engineer is here.
What the? Sort of wants to change his voice, I guess. So, what kind of engineer guy is this? How am I supposed to fix this with a wrench? Alright, do I just broke? This is like such a weird.
Probably I need to reboot Wi-Fi to fix it.
What the? Reboot? Okay, I'll just unplug it and plug it back in. These physics are so bad. I can't even plug it in.
That should
There
work.
you go.
Finally I can play my PS5.
Yeah. No. Okay, finally. Alright. Finally. Oh, yeah, right. There was another box. Forgot to unbox. Think it was right here. Yeah. I'll just flip it like that. There you go. Oh, okay. There you go. A DualShock 4? Who cares?
Seems like it's the wrong gamepad.
Who cares? There you go. Oh yeah, where's the Xbox controller? I need to find that before I can officially boot up the PS5 and do all that stuff. Come on, where are you? Xbox. 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 Okay, apparently I'll.
Seems like it's the wrong
There you
gamepad.
go. Stay in there. Alright. Let's go play the PS5. Forget about Xbox. Let's do this. Oh yeah, my iPhone. I'll just do it here too. There you go. Even though I am getting an iPhone 12 mini, well maybe. Like on December for Christmas. Like actually I'm not even joking. But yeah. There you go. PS5. Get there. Just grab this.
Wait, I forgot to put disc into the console.
You kidding?
Game might be in the kids' room.
You kidding? You kidding me? This game is like the worst. Okay. Yeah. Let's go. Come on. There. That's how it was, Rick. Okay. Now apparently we need to find the game disc. Ooh. What the? Let me in. Let me out. Okay, so now we apparently need to find the game. Let's go find that. Where is it? I think it's a... Wait, what? Where is it? Why does this guy own so many connector things? And what is this plushie? Oh, there it is. What is this? Mario, Spider-Man, It says knack 3?
Knack 3.
Oh, I
Oh,
pronounced
I
it wrong.
can't wait to play this game.
Okay. What am I gonna get copyrighted for from Nintendo or something? Okay, just eat it there. Yeah, like that.
Loading is really slow. I gonna grab some snacks.
All right. Snacks in kitchen. Oh, okay. All right, let's grab that. Yeah.
Wait, game is already ended? That SSD is so fast. I guess
Sheesh.
I should start it again.
You started again.
Now you should go and buy a real PS5.
What?
Or Xbox Series whatever. I think it's great console too. Thank you for playing. Send me some pictures of your rooms with new consoles on Twitter.
What about
Bye.
PCs? Well, apparently that's the end. It's like one of the weirdest games I've ever played in my whole entire life. The physics, the game even knack free when that's not even real. I mean, just found it when I just looked up PS5. So yeah, I guess I'll leave a download link in the description. And then yeah, if you want to try it for yourself. Thank you guys for watching. I'll try to post more of this. Maybe even the third